Hi, this is Billy Frades. I want to do a quick review. A quick review on the blue Yeti Nano microphone. I actually just bought it. This is it right here. And to speak, you gotta speak into it. If you have, there's two settings. Um, there's Cardioid, which I have it now. It's on Cardioid, which is like a directional. You gotta speak into it. There's also what's it called? There's another setting. The older one had like two settings. Actually, the older one had four settings, and the new one is much smaller than the older one. I like it a lot so far. It picks up my voice, but you gotta speak like into it. You can move it, and to mute yourself, you just click on this. Oops, sorry, I think I muted myself. And yeah, they have many colors. They have the blue one, which is the one that I have. They have this is black. Actually, this is gray. This is red onyx. This is gold, Cubano gold, and this is black. This is the one that I have. It was actually $99.99. Right now it's $97.15. And I'll show you the box it came with it. Let me move back so you can see the box. That's the Yeti Nano, the blue one. Another box. These are the instructions. And this is just a coupon. You save 20% if you want to buy anything else from them. A little hard to pull out. Came with a little gel thing. You can just throw it out. Yeah, and the microphone was in here. And this was on top, which covered it. So it's highly worth it. I like it. If you can hear my sound, I think the closer you get to it, the louder it gets. I'm on a cardioid right now, and the closer I am, and the more farther back I go, obviously, it's you can determine if you like it or not. This is how it sounds, and yeah, I mean I'll show it again. It's like I said, it's a lot smaller than the original Blue Nano. But if you like, I'll put two links for this one, which I recommend, and the original one, which is a little bit bigger. But I like the material, definitely. And to turn up the volume, You just move that. There's a bottom. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, for $100 you can't go wrong. And there was some tax where I live in New York. It came out to like $108, but the tax is different depending on what state or what country you live in. So yeah, this is my review of the Blue Yeti Nano microphone, and also for the settings, let me show you how to do the settings, because there really wasn't anyone to show me how to do the settings, how to set it up. So actually, let me go to open my control panel. Sound. Yeah, so you want obviously the Yeti Nano speakers on default. And the output device, you want it on your own. You don't want to. I selected this by accident, and when I selected that, it wasn't. I couldn't. Excuse me, I couldn't hear anything. So I called him up. I called up support. He told me I should select the output for my computer. So this is what I selected. This master volume, and of course the input. You want to select the Yeti Nano. Again, I'll leave the link to the product in the description if you're interested. Again, this is only $100 and plus some tax wherever you live. Yeah, I just want to show you real quick. I just changed the back button from Cardioid to Omni. I think it's Omni. And this is how it sounds like. Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. And let me change it back to Cardioid. Now the reason I bought this also, I wanted one that had Cardioid, so I wouldn't pick up my computer, the hard drive motor on my computer, because I have one of these all-in-one Hewlett Packard, the one with the. I'll show you right now. It's something like this. This is the type of computer I have. It's like all in one, where the monitor is actually the computer, and it was picking up my motor, the hard drive motor. So that's why I had to get this. I had no choice. If you listen to my other video that I did before this one, a few of the videos that I did before this one, you can hear my hard drive motor, and now hopefully you can hear it. You can just hear my voice, and yeah, that's it. And also, if you want a little bit more reviews, you can go to their site on Amazon. I'll just click on some of these pictures here. Click on that. And there you have it. And again, the link will be down in the description if you're interested. And I'll see you in the next video.